Hey guys, 53Silver here. I wanted to show you a little calculation, a little calculator that I use for coins. I just made it this past January, actually last week, and started using it. And I wanted to show you how it worked. Anybody's interested in it, I'll email it to you. It's not a problem. It's nothing spectacular. I'm sure some of you tech guys out there probably have something a little better than this, but it's based on Excel. It's a spreadsheet. It does a couple calculations on average count and dollars year to date, and also gives me a running total, and allows me to enter date, location, metal detector, and then again the number of coins I find, total dollar amount, and then I can enter a note. It's pretty basic. Let me show you how it works. The first hunt is real. I entered some data here on the second hunt, just to give you an idea of how it would look. And right now, over these three hunts, basically what it's saying is I'm averaging 32 coins per hunt and $2.56 per hunt. And my year-to-date totals are 97 coins and $7.67. So let me show you how we enter data here. Pretty basic and simple, but it's going to help me as I'm going with my finds. And I'll be able to, if I find something really cool, like over here I entered a 1942 nickel, I'll know exactly where I found it, detector I used, the date I found it. To me, it's just an easy way of keeping track of the coins I have, and another, I guess, facet or level of some of the things we can do with our metal detecting hobby. So let me go in here and just enter a new line and kind of show you how this updates and how this works real quick. Going to be 9. Let's say this says 1-9. Let's say I went out this morning, but I want to go out again this afternoon, so I'm going to do another hunt. So I'm going to hit 1/9/12, and as soon as I hit tab, it formats that with the date, and then the location. Let's say I'm going to go out to Mercer County Park, and I'm going to go to the tot lot, and there's several of them there, so I'm going to go what I consider tot lot 1, and I'm going to use my compadre. So I would put Mercer County Park, which is just MCP, and then space, and then TL1, which is tot lot 1, and I know exactly where that is. And I'm going to use my compadre, so I'm going to enter my TC for Tesoro Compadre. Let's say I get back and I had a pretty good day. Let's say I did 35 coins, so I enter 35. Now what that's going to do is it's going to change the average per day, per hunt, and it's going to change the total running total for the year. So right now we're at 32.97. I'm adding 35 up, so the average jumped to 33, and my total count right now for the year on coins is 132. So now I'm in the dollar column, and let's say I found 35 coins and I did $3.18. So you simply enter 3.18, and it will format it when you jump or tab over to the next column in dollars. It's also going to update your average dollars per hunt and your total running total for the year. So right now I'm averaging 256, and I'm at $7.67 on the year, and I update this. Now I'm added into 318, so that jumps to 271 on average for an average hunt. I'm up to $10.85. Now over here I may, you can enter anything you like. It's it's up to you how you want to write this. Maybe I found a 925 silver pendant, and maybe I found a little silver ring, costume jewelry, silver ring. So I'm not going to put 925 on anything that's junk. Just the way I'm doing it. You can, obviously enter anything you like. So I'm just going to put silver ring. And maybe because I don't know what the level of silver is. It looks like silver, but basically it's telling me it's a little junk ring. You can also put junk ring on there if you like, whatever you like. I don't normally, you don't have to put the temperature. Might be interesting though to put it though. You can put anything you like in there. You can put windy, you can put, gosh, any other thing. If you found another coin, maybe you found a 1902 Indian head penny, IHP. It's that simple to use. It's a basic program. I'll be using it this year. I did something similar to this last year. I started using it, a very basic form of this, in August. It was basically just I did a running count in dollars. I think from August to October I found, I think it was 1,025 coins or something. A lot of pennies in there. It didn't total a lot of dollars from what I recall. It was over 1,000 coins for the 2 months, which was pretty good. But anyway, that's the program. It's pretty basic. Again, I could, anybody interested in it, I'll be happy to email it to you. But it's just something else that's cool with the hobby. You can write yourself a little program like this, keep track of it. We all take photos and videos, and it's a great hobby. And hope everybody has a great 2012 on top of it. Alright guys, that's my program, Coin Hunter 212. And by the way, I added tabs at the bottom. There's a tab for 213 and 214. So I can go out 3 years with this. And maybe along the line somewhere I might modify it, I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'll be using this year. Just wanted to share it with you. Anybody interested in it, I'll be happy to email it to you. It should work on 90% of the computers out there anyway. Other programs are a little bit different. Alright, have a great day guys, and we'll catch you next time. 53Silver out.